What's up, y'all? This is your girl Tashima. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I went from Don King to Erica Badu. If you want to see how I got this quick twist hairstyle, I think they're called Senegalese Twists, then just keep watching.
God, you call me by my name. I love you.
So I started by taking out my old braids. We went on vacation in June, at the beginning of June. So I did these braids, these bohemian knotless braids to go on vacation. So they lasted a long time. So it was about a month or a month and a half since I had these braids. So it was time for them to come out. My scalp was extra itchy and they had grown out a lot. So it was time for these to go. So I started by taking out these braids. Halfway through, well, about a week ago, I did something to like kind of refresh the braids. So I saw this girl on YouTube. She took a crochet needle and she kind of crocheted her braid through the top of the braid to make them look like they were new. It did work, but I just couldn't keep them. So it was time for these to go. So I decided to go ahead and take them down. Honestly, when I started taking these braids down, I did not know what I was going to do to my hair. So I thought that I was going to like do a half cornrow and the back box braids, but it didn't work out that way. When I started that, it turned out trash in the front. So I took that down and decided to do these Senegalese twists or rope twists, whatever you like to call them. But yeah, my hair grew out a lot, as you can see, since I had these braids in. I think we went on vacation June the 12th through the 16th or something like that, and I did them the day before. So this is my hair. I am transitioning at the moment, so I decided to transition to natural. I've been trying this for a while. So the products I'm using is this sulfurate shampoo and this Affinity shampoo. I like to use both. And then I'm trying out this hair mayonnaise. We used to use it when I was in high school, but my mama used to get it. But I decided to, try to go back to the basics because my scalp, since I've been getting relaxers all these years, I don't understand what's going on. My scalp is crazy. So it's extra dry. I have so much dandruff. It's ridiculous. And I think it's because I've been getting relaxers for so many years. So I decided to go back natural. Well, go natural. Every year I try this and then I end up getting a relaxer again. So this time I decided to just start cutting my hair. So before I did my braids for vacation, I cut off a lot of my hair to try to cut off the perm ends. I didn't cut off a lot. I didn't cut it all the way. I didn't do a big chop, but I cut a lot of it off. So it's way shorter than it usually is. But yeah, so I started off by wetting my hair down. And first I'm going to go in with this sulfurate shampoo. So this is for my dandruff. Like I said, it is super bad. So I mean, big flakes, little flakes. It looks like it's snowing. Like when I scratch my head, it's crazy. So I'm going in with this sulfurate shampoo. Back to the basics. My mama used to use sulfurate in my hair, so I went back to the shampoo and I went back to the hair grease because the oil was not working for me and nothing else seemed to be working. So I like to use this first and go in and really cleanse my scalp and get all that dandruff, oil, built up product, get that off of my scalp. And then I like to go in with the Affinity moisturizing shampoo to put some moisture back in my hair because I found that this sulfurate shampoo really dries out my hair. So yeah, I try to focus on the scalp and not run it all the way through my hair because it is really drying. So I'm just rinsing that out. I only went in with that sulfur shampoo once, and then I went in with the Alpha shampoo once, and then I deep conditioned with the hair mayonnaise. So now I'm going to go in with the Alpha, and I'm going to make sure I work that in really, really good. I focus it on my scalp, but like you can see, it's going all over. But that's okay. My main focus is my scalp, trying to get that clean from all of the dandruff and the product buildup, because I wore those braids until I couldn't wear them anymore. It was ridiculous. So yeah, while I'm watching that out, I hope y'all are really enjoying these hair videos. I did the last hair video when I was doing the knotless braids on my daughter for beginners. I think it turned out really, really well. I think next time I do that video, next time I braid her hair in that type of style, I'm going to try to focus on making sure they're the same length for the box braids, but whatever, that's when I do hers. But yeah, if y'all like this type of videos, just make sure you comment down below and let me know what type of content that you would like to see, because I do want to be more consistent with making my videos. But yeah, as you can see, that Alpha shampoo really, really lathers really, really well, and it does not dry my hair out. So I use that after the sulfur shampoo to try to put some moisture back in my scalp. So my hair is growing out really good. My natural hair is coming in. I think when I take these twists out, I'm going to cut off some more of those relaxed ends, and I'm going to try to stick this journey out this time, because I can't go back to relaxers. It's doing too much damage to my scalp. Maybe it's because I'm doing the relaxers at home myself. I don't know, but I think it's time for me to leave those alone. But you see the little waves coming in, you know, the little curls or whatever. I think it's gonna be really, really cute once I get all of those relaxed straight ends off. Transitioning is hard. I'd rather do the big chop, but I'm scared to have a little afro, so ma'am, I don't think that's for me. I'll continue to transition because so yeah, I'm gonna go in with this hair mayonnaise and do a deep condition with this, so to try to get some moisture back into my scalp. I did wear those braids for a little over a month, so about a month and a half, and I want to make sure my hair is really, really moisturized before I go in with this next protective style. So I'm going to make sure that I lather that all over my hair, make sure I'm getting in the middle, getting all the ends, getting every single strand of hair. So I used a lot of this before I put the bag on, just so I can make sure that all of my hair is moisturized and all of it is conditioned really, really well. So yeah, shout out to all of Destiny. I used to see her do her hair videos, and she used to wash her hair in the sink, and she used to say that people were talking junk all the time. Like, folks, I know y'all mama used to wash your hair in the sink. After you finish washing your hair, you wash your sink with bleach, and you still good to go. So it is what it is. I did wrap my hair up in a plastic bag to just lock in that moisture. Yep, it's the IGA Fresh Foods bag or whatever. I didn't have any more plastic shower caps, so I went back to the basics, and it works the same, and it's free because you get those when you buy groceries. Anyway, I am washing out that hair mayonnaise, and y'all, my hair was so soft. You can probably see the difference. I know I can see the difference when I'm rinsing it out. You can see the waves a little bit more than before. So I started off with warm water, and then you saw me switch the water to kind of a cool temperature, because I heard that it closes the cuticles up. So I don't know if that's true, but I'm rinsing it out with cool water right now, and we'll see. So for the hair that I'm using this Expressions hair, and it's in the 52 inches, and this is the multi-pack with the 6 packs, and I still ended up using one more pack that I had left over from a previous hairstyle. But this is my hair after it's been all blow dried out, and it's just blow dried. I didn't straighten it or anything. So first thing I am doing, I parted my hair in half, separating the back and the front. And I started off with the front because I noticed that usually when I start off with the back, I get lazy toward the front and it doesn't look as good. But everybody sees the front of your hair before they see the back of your hair. So I say I'm starting off with the front so I can make sure that it's extra neat and nice looking. And the back, it is what it is. I can't see back there anyway, and I'm doing it myself. And I don't care. I don't care if my parts are crooked back there. I don't care if they're crooked up front, because sis, if you're that close to my head, you need to back up. Like, why? So it is what it is. So I'm going in with my Shining Gem after I parted off the section, and I'm putting that at the root just to make sure it is straight. So as you can see, I place the braided hair underneath, and then I use my hair as the third leg because I'm going to start off braiding. So you need 3 strands to braid. So 2 of the strands are the extension hair, and the third strand is my natural hair. So I start off with the braid, and I braid down like 2 or 3 times, and then I start the twist. And then as I get to the end of my hair, I put a little bit more of that Shining Gem just to smooth out my hair so it blends a little bit better. And I'm going to slow it down I think in the next clip so you can see it. So again, my hair is already parted off. I'm going to take some of that braiding hair. So I'm going to take some of that Shining Gem and put it at my root. Then I'm going to take that braiding hair and place that underneath. Make sure I have 3 strands, 1 being my own hair. Start that braid down 3 to 4 times, and then start off twisting. So I separate my natural hair into 2, and then I start the twist. So as I'm twisting down, I'm just not twisting like the hair. I am making sure I twist or roll that hair and making it really, really tight. So you do need to at least know how to do 2 strand twists to do this hairstyle. Know how to braid as well. I think it's easier starting off with the braid. I know some people start off by just twisting their hair in, but I can never get it as tight or as neat as I want it when I start doing that. So starting off with the braid is easier for me. So again, I'm taking that Shining Gem, making sure those parts are straight. I'm twisting my hair a little bit at the root just to make sure it's tight and make sure it's neat. And then I'm taking that braiding hair and I'm putting that underneath. I'm starting that braid off. So making sure I have my 3 strands. I'm pulling my natural hair just a little bit just to make sure that it is going to be extra tight. Well, not extra tight, but tight, so it'll be neat, but not too tight, so because I don't want to pull my edges out. Baby, I'm trying to grow those back, not lose them. So I'm taking that my natural hair and splitting that into 2 so I can begin my twist. So how I start the twist is once I separate my natural hair into 2 strands, I start by twisting those first separately and then twisting them together. And you can see it a little bit clearer here. So pull that through, making sure I have my 3 strands, starting with my braid. I'm going to braid down 3 to 4 times. Separate my natural hair into 2 strands so I could begin twisting. So twist it by itself. Twist that one strand first, twist it over, and then twist that second strand, and then begin twisting down. So I think you can kind of see how I'm rolling that hair and twisting it as I twist down. So I'm rolling it between my pointer finger and my thumb before I twist it over. And once I get to the end, I'll take some more of that shining jam. Once I get to the end of my natural hair, take some more of that jam and smooth my hair out and keep twisting. So it didn't take long. This hairstyle probably took me about 3 hours from beginning to the end, and y'all, that's good for me. Usually it takes me about 5 to 7 hours to do my hair, but this hairstyle was super quick, and that's what I like about it. And like I said, my parts may not be the neatest in the back, they may not be even, but who cares? Back up and you won't notice. But I think it still looks good. It's still neat. It is what it is. I plan on wearing this hairstyle for maybe about 2 to 3 weeks, and then it's on to the next. So while I'm transitioning, I plan to wear braids or twists or some type of protective style until I can grow my hair out enough where I feel comfortable cutting off the remainder of those relaxed ends, because I'm serious. I cannot go back to relaxers. Shout out to all the hair gurus and people that make hair videos consistently, because y'all, this was hard. And this is the final product. I think it turned out really good. It turned out super cute. I love it, and it's neat. I think it's neat. Comment down below if you think it's neat. Even if you don't, I don't care. Comment down below. Just engage with your girl. But I enjoy making this video for y'all. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you like, comment, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more videos, more content. I do hair, makeup, nails, vlogs, lifestyle, fashion, whatever. I do some of everything. Thank y'all so much for watching, and see y'all next time. Bye.